In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix website. A number counter can be an attractive way to display statistics or highlight key figures, such as your number of clients, projects completed, or even hours volunteered. It's visually engaging and can help create dynamic content for your visitors. So, let's dive in and explore how you can easily integrate this feature into your site. To start, we first need to visit the Elfsight number counter page. Elfsight is a popular service that offers customizable widgets for websites, and the number counter is one of their many engaging options. Once you're on the Elfsight site, you'll see their number counter widget, which you can configure to meet your particular needs. The configurator tool is quite intuitive, allowing you to design your counter with a variety of styles, colors, and animations. You can experiment with different options to see what best complements the overall aesthetic of your website. Take your time exploring the various configurations. You might want to consider what numbers you want to show and how they align with your brand's voice. A tip that might be helpful is to keep your website's color scheme in mind while choosing the counter's palette, ensuring that it seamlessly fits within your site's overall look and feel. Once you are satisfied with your design on Elfsight, you'll see an option to generate an installation code. This code is vital because it's what you'll use to embed the counter into your Wix site. Copy this installation code carefully, making sure you don't miss any part of it, as any incomplete section could cause the widget to not function correctly on your page. With your code copied, it's time to head over to your Wix editor. Within your Wix editor, use the menu bar to navigate to the Add button. From here, select Embed Code. You'll see an option labeled Embed a Widget. This is where you'll paste the installation code you copied earlier. Make sure your mouse cursor is inside the provided field when pasting the code to ensure it's placed correctly. After pasting the code, you can move the widget around to find the perfect spot on your page. Play around with the positioning, trying out different areas until it looks just right. The key here is to ensure that the counter adds value and is visible enough for your visitors to notice without overwhelming other page elements. And that's it. You've successfully added an animated number counter to your Wix website. Remember, adding dynamic content like this can significantly enhance user engagement and highlight your achievements in a vibrant, eye-catching manner. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments, and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.